That's right. I'm Darth Fattass, and we are back with another Saturday morning comic book review. And today's book, we'll be taking a look at Sea Dog and Codename Kill Switch, book number 2. Okay, and so you can see we got the actual babe box. This is the collector's box. And got the nice magnetic flap that you can seal your book, keep your books in. Oh, bang everything down here. Slide everything out here and see what we have. All right. I'm going to set up trading cards here. Sea Dog, whoop, Rebel, Stormborn, Tundar, Crotch Rocket, Neon, Soldier 7, Sea Dog, another version of Rebel, we got a copy of book number 1. What's going on here? Mark Bolton sketch of Sea Dog, and Clint Hosky sketch of Rebel. Book 1. Got a little mini ash can type. Ash can book going on here. So artwork, black and white artwork. You get the classified section of our main heroes. I believe this was out with the last one too. And we get an ash can preview of Viking Wolf. Got some prints. Codename, basically Sea Dog and Codename Kill Switch versus Graveyard Shift. Got Neon. Neon and Rebel. Holy cow. Probably should have some stuff out of the bags and ready to go. At least there's much stuff there. Give a little preview for a little ad for a Pirate Queen in the back. So those. Oh, this is book 1 again. Black and white cover of book 1. 2. Next, this one's got an ad for Slave Girl, Planet from Planet X, coming soon. We have the Sea Dog and Kill Switch. Book 2. Main cover. And then we have a cover by Fragaboom. Yeah, let's talk about it now. I think I waited long. Went through way too much stuff here. Let's see. Where do we? Basically, we're kind of picking up where we left off from the last book. They're looking for Peter. Kill Switches, not Sea Dogs. Little human boy companion, kind of slash. I don't want to say owner. That doesn't sound right, but it's his best bud. We have a little splash page of Stormborn back in his homeworld, taking care of business. And what is it? The cool thing about this one is Rebel and excuse me, I'm still trying to wake up here this morning. It's kind of early. Rebel and Neon doing their little thing here. They were going undercover at a strip club. They're tapping on the glass. This guy's tapping on the fish tank, and they're telling him, no, don't do that. Because actually, we'll probably a little. And they're at the strip club. And okay, so Mark and Clint here. This book kills me because they put so many cameos in there. You start looking at things going, it's like the small details that always get me. And you start looking closely. Let's see here. I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up. So you got kind of like a Captain America guy down here. You got like someone looks kind of like a little bit kind of like Superman, but maybe not. And then you got a little Cyclops. You got a character going on. You look over here. This guy here going, watch it, bub. You get the Wolverine action. But one of the main bad guys, Thug, shows up and they have this fight. And there's like, Sea Dog can join anytime. Well, Sea Dog was actually was actually a fish in the fish tank. Turned into a giant shark busting out of the fish tank. And we just get this book is just full of, crazy over-the-top action. I was loving it. Here we go again with some more of those random cameos. Storm and Rogue. It looks like a Storm and Rogue character almost. We're going to get this crazy over-the-top action. Of course, they follow the bad guy. They go back to the bad guy's lair. Well, other than a crazy over-the-top fight, this book is just it's nonstop action. That's what I love about it. Crazy splash pages, I don't want to give away too much. I'm trying to think what I want to say anyway. I don't want to give away. But it's great. It's a great book. I can believe. I don't want to go too much into detail because I don't want to give away the entire story. But I will tell you this: the story takes quite a turn. I was really shocked where they went with some of the characters, and I'm not going to say we did lose. We did lose a hero, possibly. There is a death in here that kind of caught me off guard, but there's always, to me, with characters like that, there's always a way you could possibly bring that guy back. Our heroes in this book actually end up getting split up, and they take it on the chin pretty hardcore. This book ends on a very kind of shocking, everybody's kind of been split up and pretty well. Some are defeated, some aren't defeated. It leaves it with that tension. They'll be back in book 3, and I can't wait for book 3. Like always, like, share, comment, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Oh.
Want to follow me on Twitter? It's @AssDart.